Hello, this is Tom Wood and Max Pollard again with the third session for Epicor Eagle in-series training. This session is about enabled analytics, active viewers, and the user-defined fields. So, Max, if you would, go ahead and get us started.
Oh, certainly, Tom. So I'd like to talk about the analytics and then also a product that we call Compass, which is a key part of our analytics strategy. The Compass, which I'll show the last, but I want to talk about, is gives you the ability to create not only create custom reports and deliver them either in a dashboard or report format, but that it's a tool to also allow you to schedule and deliver analytics to the business unit, to your business, without having to remember to click buttons. But first I want to talk about the analytics part. And these are the analytics piece that I'm talking about is all basic functionality that's available in the Eagle. The Compass part is an option that not every customer purchases, so I want to kind of separate those just a little bit. So the first part with the analytics, the first piece I want to talk about is embedded analytics, being able to deliver real-time, in-context business intelligence will allow your team to make better business decisions and make more timely decisions. And what I think is so exciting about this is that it allows us to deliver complex analytics. We have some examples in here, non-core returns by subline, non-core returns percentages, different analytics that are pretty complicated to set up. But we deliver them to the analytics tab in a way that any user that has the security to access the tab can very easily select and filter these reports. So it allows us to deliver those complex analytics without having to have an IT person at the desk to be able to deliver it. And so I'm just paging through a couple different examples of the type of analytics that we have available. Now, the other piece I wanted to talk about here real quick is with the Compass Analytics package, that also gives you the ability to create your own analytics down here at the bottom. These ones on top are Epicor provided, and you can still customize those, but with the analytics, you're able to deliver your own custom reports to the same screen. Okay, the next piece I wanted to talk about is it's somewhat analytics and somewhat an ease of use feature, if you will. We have active viewers, which allow you to maintain and change your data at real time in an Excel spreadsheet type of format. So you can do search and replace calculated columns that are then saved back to the data. And so just a real quick, we've got it for vendors, customers, as well as your inventory. So I just had a quick screen grab here where you go through, and I just clicked in on this pad, changed to 133, and you hit the change key, and you've updated your data. That could have been 50 records, 100 records, or just one, but it gives you that ability to view your data in a table format. The last piece I wanted to talk about is the user-defined fields. And this allows you to extend beyond the built-in codes and other classification tools that are already in place in the Eagle and gives the end user the ability to create their own reporting fields. I have an example here on my screen on a customer tab where you might, use some extra data fields to support a marketing or, some sort of tracking program. And these user-defined fields are reportable in Compass. So you're able to use them in custom reporting.
That's really cool, Max. So are these user-defined fields available in every area of Eagle, such as inventory and vendor records, or are they everywhere?
They're available about everywhere. Inventory, customers, vendors. You can have variables per store, department, line, subline. Really,
that's very powerful.
Employees. So anytime you have a need to add an extra reporting field or classify something, the user-defined fields are there to allow you to very easily leverage that. So now I'd like to switch to the actual Compass software. Okay, so this is the dashboard in Compass that I created, and it's what I call my inventory dashboard. I'm able to look at overstock values, down below looking at turns by the store, or even being able to drill in and see for a particular store what are my turns per line. Being able to easily track that information in a dashboard or interactive format. And so this way you can create your own custom dashboards. There's even the ability to create drill downs where as you select one part of the information, you can have a drill down. So when you double click that, you can define what happens. Another example of a type of dashboard that I've created in the past was a sales ranking by salesperson. So they had a program where they wanted to give 5 points for every $10 for every $100 spent. But the customer purchased $100, they get 5 points, and then would rank them. So this was a reporting both daily and then on a month-to-date attainment, so that they could track that. And that was something completely custom just for that end user. And so keep in mind that these type of analytics where you're able to access any of the data areas in the Eagle, you can then take this and embed it back into an inventory record or a customer record or a vendor record. So that, if we haven't done the analytics for you, you can create your own and add it to that system and enhance it so that you have that view of the business in the way that you need to see it.
That's really cool, Max. So in an overview, with embedded analytics embedded into the Eagle and active viewers to enable you to manipulate your data, such as with a spreadsheet, and adding user-defined fields, allowing you to customize and add data that Epicor may have never thought of, are huge pluses for the customers that are going to take on the new Eagle N series. And dashboards in general have been available with Compass for since the beginning, but you're a big believer in allowing these dashboards to help you drive good decisions, immediate active decisions throughout the day. So, Max, I appreciate your knowledge and being with us today and showing us some of these neat enhancements.